So here in the Mid-Atlantic, in Virginia especially, the seasons change a lot. And so in the winter, you may see some of the trim and the hardwood floors start to shrink a little bit, and in the summer you're going to see them expand. So with the dehumidifier installed in an encapsulated crawl space, we are shrinking the amount of change that your home is having to go through during the season. So it's a much more consistent environment, which hardwood floors and other building materials much prefer. If you're noticing signs of high humidity in your home, such as cupping floors, or you look down in your crawl space and see insulation hanging down and you smell a musty odor, please reach out, give Prospect Properties Crawl Space Solutions a call, and we'll come out to your home for free and take a look in your crawl space and see if there's anything that needs to be done.